You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -5/72. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5/6 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 12. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -5/72.